Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to download or install TBH Taskbar Hero game on PC, and this game is completely free to download. So open Steam, go to the store, and in search the store search for TBH Taskbar Hero and then click on this TBH Taskbar Hero game. Scroll down and here you will see play TBH Taskbar Hero free to play. So click on play game button and here you can see Taskbar Hero and the file size is 551.12 MB. So click on install. Now read the EULA terms and condition and then click on accept. Now go to library and here you can see that TBH Taskbar Hero game is getting downloaded on my PC. So I hope you can also follow the same steps to download and install TBH Taskbar Hero game on PC via the Steam launcher for free. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.